Hello everybody, this is Bobby World Pro Chamberlain. Today I will be showing off some of the cues which are made by my sponsor Russ Espiritu, who's been making cues since 1984 out of Brandon, Mississippi. This particular cue I've been playing with since 1995, and also the cue that I used to break the world record on a diamond 9-foot pro table with a high run of 311 playing straight pool. Let's show some of the cues off today here to show some of his work and cues that are available for sale. Cue number one will be a Coca-Cola forearm, Coca-Cola bottom sleeve with a tiger maple handle area. This cue is available for $350. Cue number two will be made out of rare pink ivory wood, quilted maple handle, pink ivory wood bottom sleeve with a real fancy 8-piece of silver .925 and a crossed and diamond design in the bottom sleeve. This cue is available for $425. Cue number three, also rare pink ivory wood, tiger maple handle, and the bottom sleeve is made out of pink ivory wood and is made out of real rare Australian red abalone heart outlined in ivory. 4 hearts inlaid in the bottom of this cue is available for $550. Cue number four is made out of maple with purple points, purple heart points, a fancy ring pattern made out of silver and ivory, bottom sleeve same pattern in 2 different places, and also made out of purple heart wood, Irish linen wrap, and this cue is available today for $700. Cue number five is made the same way, maple forearm, 4 Coca-Cola points, ivory and silver ring pattern. The handle area is made out of a beautiful bird's eye maple, bottom sleeve out of Coca-Cola wood, and also fancy ivory and silver ring pattern. This cue also is $700. Cue number six will be a 4-point ebony cue with 4 veneers, yellow, blue, black, and also made out of maple, fancy stitch ring pattern, beautiful leather wrap, and the bottom sleeve also a lot of inlays, and also has a fancy ring pattern. This cue is available for $900. Cue number 7 will be a 8-point cue. Now this cue is made out of bird's eye maple, 8 points, 4 ebony, 4 ivory, and different color veneers in both points, fancy ring pattern above the wrap, Irish linen wrap in the bottom sleeve. This cue will have 8 ivory diamonds at the bottom with fancy ring pattern, also silver and ivory, inlaid inside of ebony. This cue is available for $950. Now cue number 8, I call it a lucky cue. 4 ebony points, different color veneers inside of beautiful bird's eye maple, Irish linen wrap, and in the bottom, this cue here will have 8 ivory horseshoes with little silver dots all inlaid inside the horseshoes. There's a lot of inlays in this cue, over 70 inlays. This cue is available for $700. Cue number 9. Cue number 9 is a Bacote wood forearm, 6 points of tiger maple inlaid with Bacote, which also has the Bacote going down in a diamond design in the wrap, and beautiful tiger maple stained gray. In the bottom sleeve will be 6 points also that match the forearm. And this cue is available for $800. Next cue is very similar to cue number 9. This is cue number 10, Coca-Cola with 6 maple points, Coca-Cola inlays that also go down into the wrap area, which are made out of ebony, and beautiful spalted tamarin maple, and then goes with the inlays also going down into the bottom of the cue, and then Coca-Cola on the bottom, same matching points. Cue number 11. Cue number 11 will be a 4-point, beautiful yellow and blue points inside of ebony, bird's eye maple, long ivory spears with Indian turquoise inlays, fancy ring pattern, bottom sleeve also, fancy ring pattern, matching the inlays up top with ivory and turquoise. This cue is available for $950. Cue number 12 will be a 4 veneer cue also, inside of bird's eye maple, mostly blue and natural, inside of ebony, ivory diamond, fancy double silver ring, which the rings also are matching the bottom with long ivory inlays with spalted maple, which is dyed blue in the bottom sleeve with ivory diamonds. This cue is available for $950. Cue number 13 is a beautiful cue with light blue, purple, natural, and black veneers inside of ebony, inside of bird's eye maple. The bottom sleeve is really nice with purple inlays. The inlays in the bottom are called river agate, which have a purple and pinkish type inlay design in the bottom. in colors, with a lot of ivory inlay in the bottom. It has a block design with little long ovals in between. This cue is available for $8.50. Now it comes along with a couple other cues I have available for sale, which are made by Alex Brick, the best brake cue in the world. Now these cues are no longer being made because of the diamond wood shortage. I have some available. The first cue is done in basically different color blue and black, all made out of diamond wood with a white diamond tip. These are brake jump cues, which weigh 19 ounce. This blue cue is available today for $450. The next Alex Brick cue is done in 4 different colors: a gray, blue, green, and brown. This cue also weighs 19 ounce, a brake jump cue, white diamond tip. This cue is available for $450. The last cue available right now today is called the Olympic model diamond wood. This is the exact same setup that I play with, that we support America and American colors. Now this cue comes with an extra shaft, and also something I designed here with Alex Brick is a jump handle that goes in between the shaft and the bottom section of the cue that screws into the joint. This is the exact same setup that I have. This cue comes with an extra shaft and the extension, and this cue is available for $625. Any questions, please email me at worldpro311@gmail.com. And thanks again for looking at my cues available for sale.